I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete friends on Snapchat. First of all, open up your Snapchat app. After you open up the app, you will see a profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down and you'll see the option of My Friends. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see your Snapchat friend list. Now select a friend whom you'd like to delete from your Snapchat. Now tap on the profile icon which is on top left. Tap on three dot icon which is on top right. There you can see the option of remove friend. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on remove. After you tap on it, this way you can easily delete friends from Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.